Hi guys, welcome to Miriam's Kitchen. Today's video we're going to be watching how to make roasted garlic mashed potatoes. This is a copycat recipe from Applebee's restaurant. It's a must-try recipe, perfect for this holiday season. So please do try and you will not be disappointed. I'm taking red potatoes with skin cubed like this size. It will cook perfectly because we're going to do a pressure cooking, and adding some water. Today I added like a cup and a half, and then pressure cooking for 13 minutes, and I will let it natural pressure release. I'm not doing a quick release, and then we will check back in a while to see how it looks. Once it's done, it will be ready to be mashed, and then I will be using this roasted garlic which I roasted in air fryer for 400 degrees for like it's at 400 degrees for like 25 minutes, which is you have to wrap it in an aluminum foil, throw it in the air fryer and do that, which I will be adding in that. And then add some salt, and then when you are doing all these, put the Instant Pot in saute mode, and then add some crushed black pepper for your taste. And then we will be adding the other following ingredients: the roasted garlic, and then the fresh cream, and the whole milk. So if you are conscious about calories or fat content, like you, please go ahead and you could always use the lower fat one, like 2%. If you are doing it once in a while for holiday season, don't want to compromise for the taste, you could go with heavy whipping cream and whole milk, which is like the best tasting garlic mashed potatoes. And then mash them, and then will be ready to go. I will add it and mash it and show. And then this is very good to be served with even spicy chicken wings, which that is what I'm going to plan on doing, and which the recipe for that is going to be in air fryer. If you are interested, please give a thumbs up on your on the comment section, so that I can upload the video for that spicy chicken wings. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also follow me on Instagram, being Miriam, and then like, share and comment to my channel, so that I can add more interesting videos in the future, and will come back and see you. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.